Hi everyone, our idea is an AI powered evaluation system that automates how proposals are screened and evaluated. So this is the home page which shows the evaluation workflow. Now coming on to the problem we are addressing is the slow, manual and inconsistent evaluation of R&D proposals. Our solution automates novelty, compliance and financial assessment to make reviews faster, fairer and fully transparent. So this is the officer's dashboard that shows the total proposals, the proposals being evaluated, pending, amount sanctioned, the approved projects, as well as the average score from each of the projects combined. Let's start the evaluation of this AI for crop yield production. So this is the processing pipeline, and then it embeds the data into graph store as well as vector index. So this implements a technology that is called RAG or Retrieval-Augmented Generation. Let's have a look at that.
Documents, PDFs, or URLs are loaded into the system. Split, they're broken into smaller, manageable chunks. They will be converted into embeddings, which is numerical representation of the data.
So as you can see, it has pulled the data, the budget, the duration, collaborators, and submission date. Now let's run the AI/ML evaluation pipeline, which pulls the data, runs the novelty check, and gets the information out for the officer to see. And then you can see the final scores, which has been evaluated on terms of novelty, financial, and eligibility scores. Henceforth, the officer can put on to reject, approve, or on hold. As we can see, this was an example for rejection. Let's see another example for a low-cost water purification proposal. Here we are running the pipeline sand, RAG-based evaluation over the proposal, and then we can see the scores of novelty, financial, as well as eligibility. And after this, we can make the decision. Let's put this on hold and submit the decision. So this was the workflow of how our solution works. Let's have a look at the technologies used. We have used Node.js, React.js, as well as CSS for front end. We have used Paddle OCR and Spacey for NLP and text processing. Then we have used Python libraries as well as Fast API. And then we have used Neo4j for graph database as well as SQL for normal database. Our solution allows for faster processing, cutting the evaluation time by 90% as well as shortens the approval delays by 60% and funding the cycle efficiency by 3 times. It boosts innovation as it accelerates the proposal review by 85%. Cuts human errors as well as maintains consistent R&D throughput. It's highly scalable across ministries and can support 10 times more proposal. In fact, it can handle more than 5,000 documents per year. It significantly impacts the coal sector with the faster adoption in new technologies as well as sets the benchmark for adopting AI-driven technologies as well as governance and research funding. This makes our solution highly feasible and viable. Thank you.